When it comes to upgrading your home, installing new windows is one of the most impactful choices you can make. Not only do quality windows enhance the curb appeal of your home, but they also provide better insulation, reduce energy costs, and improve security. However, the benefits of new windows will only be fully realized if the installation is done correctly. That's why selecting the right window installation service is crucial. If you're located in Sanford and considering new window installation, here are some key factors to help you choose the best service for your needs. Experience and reputation matter. The first thing to consider when choosing a window installation service in Sanford is the company's experience. An experienced service provider will have a proven track record of successful installations. Look for a company that has been in the industry for several years, as longevity often indicates reliability and expertise. A reputable company will also have positive customer reviews and testimonials. Check online reviews and ask for references. Hearing from previous customers will give you an insight into the quality of their work, customer service, and overall satisfaction. Expertise in different window types. There are various types of windows, from energy-efficient models to more decorative, aesthetic ones. You may want to opt for vinyl, wood, fiberglass, or aluminum frames, each with its unique benefits. Make sure the installation service you choose has experience with the specific type of windows you're interested in. In addition to understanding different window materials, they should also have knowledge of the latest window technologies and trends. This includes energy-efficient options such as double-glazed windows or low-E glass, which help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce utility bills. License, insurance, and certification. Always check that the window installation company is licensed and insured. A licensed contractor has the required training and adherence to local building codes, ensuring that the installation is done according to industry standards. Insurance, on the other hand, protects you in case of accidents or damage to your property during the installation process. Certifications from window manufacturers are also important. These indicate that the installer is trained to work with specific window brands, ensuring proper installation and guaranteeing warranties. Cost and transparency. While it's tempting to go for the lowest price, it's important to remember that quality matters. The cheapest option may cut corners, leading to poor installation and issues down the road. Instead, look for a service provider that offers competitive prices while maintaining high-quality work. When evaluating costs, ensure that the installation company provides a detailed, written estimate. The estimate should include labor, materials, and any additional fees to prevent unexpected costs. Transparency in pricing will help you avoid any unpleasant surprises later on. Customer service and communication. Good communication is key throughout the window installation process. The best window installation services in Sanford will maintain open lines of communication, explaining your options, answering questions, and keeping you informed about the timeline. A professional company should be responsive to your inquiries and willing to provide a clear plan for the installation process. You should also consider their approach to customer service. Are they polite, professional, and respectful of your time? A company that values customer satisfaction will go the extra mile to ensure the installation is completed smoothly. Warranty and aftercare. Quality window installation services will back their work with a solid warranty. This not only guarantees the quality of the installation but also gives you peace of mind knowing that the company will take care of any issues that may arise after the installation is complete. Be sure to ask about the warranty on both the windows and the installation labor. Furthermore, inquire about aftercare services. Will the company provide maintenance tips, or will they be available for any future repairs or adjustments? A service that offers ongoing support ensures the long-term durability of your windows. Local knowledge. Choosing a local window installation service in Sanford has its advantages. A local company will have a better understanding of the region's climate, building codes, and local architectural styles. This familiarity allows them to recommend the best window solutions for your home and ensure that they meet local regulations. Additionally, local businesses tend to value their reputation within the community, so they are more likely to provide top-notch service to maintain their standing. Final thought. Selecting the best window installation service in Sanford is a process that requires careful consideration of experience, reputation, expertise, pricing, and customer service. By researching local companies, comparing quotes, and ensuring the company is licensed and insured, you can ensure a smooth and successful window installation. With the right professionals on your side, you'll be able to enjoy beautiful, energy-efficient windows that will enhance the comfort and value of your home for years to come.